The human body is one of the most complex and fascinating biological systems known to science. It is a remarkable combination of organs, cells, chemical signals, electrical impulses, and adaptive mechanisms that keep us alive every second. From the moment we wake up to the time we fall asleep, millions of unseen processes work silently in the background, regulating our heartbeat, producing energy, repairing tissues, fighting off diseases, and even shaping our thoughts and decisions. Understanding how the human body works is not only essential for scientific knowledge, but also critical for improving our health, preventing diseases, and living a long, balanced, and meaningful life. 1. The human body, a symphony of systems. The body is organized into multiple interconnected systems, each with its own specialized function. These include the nervous system, cardiovascular system, digestive system, respiratory system, endocrine system, immune system, and musculoskeletal system. While each system performs unique tasks, none of them work in isolation. They constantly communicate with one another, forming an integrated biological network. For example, the circulatory system transports oxygen and nutrients to every cell, but it relies on the respiratory system for oxygen and the digestive system for nutrients. The nervous system controls movement, emotion, and memory, but it depends on the cardiovascular system for blood and the endocrine system for hormones. This interdependence is the reason why any disturbance in one part of the body can affect several others. 2. The brain, the master regulator of life. Although small in size, the brain remains the most powerful and complex organ in the human body. It controls everything from breathing and heartbeat to emotions, thoughts, decision-making, and memory. Nearly all bodily functions originate from electrical signals and chemical messengers sent by the brain. When the body experiences stress, pain, hunger, or fatigue, the brain immediately reacts through neurotransmitters and hormones. It maintains the body's internal balance, known as homeostasis. Even when we are asleep, the brain continues to work, processing memories, regulating breathing, repairing tissues, and preparing the body for the next day. A healthy brain requires proper sleep, balanced nutrition, oxygen flow, hydration, and controlled stress levels. Chronic sleep deprivation, poor diet, and emotional stress weaken the brain and negatively affect physical health. 3. Blood circulation, the engine of life. The cardiovascular system, centered around the heart, plays a critical role in maintaining life. The heart pumps approximately 7,000 liters of blood every day, sending oxygen and nutrients to more than 37 trillion cells. At the same time, blood carries away carbon dioxide and waste products, keeping the internal environment clean.
L6 circulation en sur.
Proper delivery of oxygen, balanced body temperature, hormone transport, immune cell movement, toxin removal. Poor circulation can lead to fatigue, dizziness, cold extremities, slow healing, and even serious conditions like heart disease or stroke. Regular exercise, hydration, and a balanced diet strengthen the circulatory system, while smoking, obesity, and inactivity weaken it. 4. The digestive system, turning food into energy. Every time we eat, our digestive system breaks down food into simple molecules: glucose, amino acids, fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream and used for energy, growth, repair, and cellular activity. However, digestion is not only a mechanical process, it is deeply connected to our mental and emotional health. The digestive tract contains more than 100 million neurons, often called the second brain, and produces nearly 90% of the body's serotonin, a chemical responsible for mood and happiness. This is why digestive problems often accompany stress, anxiety, or depression. A healthy gut improves mood, boosts immunity, and enhances brain performance. 5. The immune system, the body's defense army. The immune system is an advanced biological defense network designed to protect the body from bacteria, viruses, toxins, and foreign invaders. It consists of white blood cells, antibodies, bone marrow, lymph nodes, and specialized organs like the spleen and thymus. When a harmful microorganism enters the body, the immune system immediately identifies and attacks it. Once the invader is destroyed, the body develops memory cells, allowing faster response in the future. However, immunity weakens due to poor sleep,
stress,
unhealthy diet, lack of exercise, smoking and alcohol, environmental pollution. Strengthening the immune system requires consistent healthy habits, not temporary remedies. 6. Hormones, the invisible controllers of health. The endocrine system produces hormones, chemical messengers that influence appetite, mood, metabolism, growth, reproductive health, energy levels, and sleep cycles. Even slight hormonal imbalances can create major health problems. For example, too much cortisol leads to stress, weight gain, and high blood pressure. Low serotonin causes sadness and mood swings. Excess insulin leads to diabetes. Thyroid imbalance affects metabolism and energy. Hormones are highly sensitive to sleep patterns, diet, emotional state, and physical activity. Maintaining hormonal balance is one of the keys to long-term health. 7. The human body and lifestyle. What shapes health? Modern science agrees that more than 70% of human health outcomes depend on lifestyle choices. Genetics play a role, but habits decide how genes behave. Major lifestyle factors influencing health include 1. Sleep quality. Poor sleep increases stress hormones, weakens immunity, and affects memory and decision-making. 2. Diet and nutrition. Balanced nutrition gives cells the energy and building blocks they need. 3. Physical activity. Exercise strengthens muscles, improves circulation, enhances mood, and reduces chronic disease risk. 4. Stress management. Constant stress damages the brain, disrupts hormones, and causes inflammation in the body. 5. Hydration. Every cell depends on water. Dehydration affects the brain, kidneys, skin, and digestion. 6. Avoiding harmful substances. Smoking, excessive sugar, processed foods, and alcohol weaken all major systems. 8. The connection between mind and body. Modern neuroscience confirms that the mind and body are not separate. Emotions, thoughts, and mental habits directly affect physical health. For example, stress increases heart rate and blood pressure. Positive emotions strengthen immunity. Anxiety disrupts digestion. Deep breathing improves oxygen flow and calms the nervous system. This mind-body connection is so powerful that many chronic conditions improve through meditation, mindfulness, and emotional regulation. 9. Healthy living, the scientific formula. A long and healthy life requires consistent habits, not perfection. Science suggests the following principles. Sleep 7 to 8 hours daily. Eat natural, whole foods. Exercise at least 30 minutes a day. Drink enough water. Practice relaxation techniques. Stay socially connected. Limit toxins and processed foods. When these habits become daily routines, the entire body from brain to bones functions at its best. Conclusion: the human body is an extraordinary system, self-regulating, self-healing, and incredibly intelligent. Every heartbeat, every breath, and every thought is a miracle of biological engineering. By understanding how the body works and what factors influence its performance, we can protect our health, improve our energy, and extend our life in meaningful ways. Health is not just the absence of disease. It is the harmonious balance of mind, body, and lifestyle. When we take care of our body, it takes care of us for a lifetime.